Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is go to YouTube and then search Netflix intro. Once you find the one you want, I found this one, I think it's like the second one for 5 seconds. I just copied the link and then went to Google and Googled YouTube to Mp4 Converter. It was the third link, I think, and then you just put, like, you paste the link into this thing and then download the video to your computer. So once it's downloaded to your computer, you're gonna go to Canva and search video and click on create a blank video. Okay, so then you're gonna upload that video into Canva and set it as the background. Okay, so then you're gonna hit the plus button at the bottom to make another page, set the background as black, and then go over to elements and search Netflix. And I think it's the first one you find, but just put, oh, it's the second one, but like make it smaller and then put it in the corner. And this is basically the who's watching page. So I just added 4 like random pictures from my video and put them as the profile pictures. And I kind of, you could size them better than me. I really just ran through this real quick just for the video, but I just tried to make them the same size and even them out, and then put who's watching at the top and then manage profiles at the bottom. Okay, so for the font on this, I tried to Google it and I couldn't get the exact font, so I used Open Sans Light, and that was the best I can get. And I just added my name, the title of my video, and then the who's watching and the manage profile. So I put a box around manage profiles, and I just searched a box or something under elements, and I couldn't find one that didn't move, so I just used this and I made it fit like around the words. So once you have it to your liking, you're gonna duplicate that page, and then I kind of shrunk it because I think it's automatically set to like 4 or 5 seconds. I shrunk it down to 2 seconds and then 1 second for the second one. And then you're gonna go back to elements and search click. And I think I used the 5th one, and I used that and just click on the like profile picture that you want. Okay, so for the last slide, I used the video that was going to be like the first video on my YouTube video as the background. And then I went back to elements and added Netflix in the corner again. By Netflix, I added the words TV shows, movies recently watched, and then my list with like a little search icon. And then as the title, I just put Vegas vlog. I added this little red box and then just put like a little subtitle, and then you can put a description under all of that. Okay, so the next thing I did was go to shapes and search rectangles. I changed one of them to white and then the other one to gray. And I used the triangle as the play button, and then I just put play and more info. Okay, so the last step is to duplicate the last like screen you was doing, and then go back to elements and find that clicker, and then put it to where it's clicking on play, and then just add like your video or whatever you was gonna add to it. Okay, so I think it does look better if you like slow it down a little bit. So I'm gonna go back and change mine, but that's basically the entire video. So thanks for watching.